And so what I love about this institute is that it has this chance to groundswell from the bottom up and percolate all sorts of local innovations and bring them together in a single stew that could create some really unique content that no one else is doing. And so I'm just extremely supportive of not trying to do everything from the top down and facing all sorts of federal policies and major changes. But, you know, the right way is to get in there and do it, you know, and crawl, walk, run. And you can do that much better at a local level.
Yeah, I agree, and I think one of the things that's very exciting to me about this space and this event is that we had people from such diverse backgrounds in terms of their specialty, and Deborah mentioned this. Mark, I know you from the aerospace world, and we go to the aviation conferences all the time. We have a community that has bought into urban air mobility and really become interested in it, frankly. But
well, they're investing like mad in it, so yes. It's not just interest.
Yeah, they are absolutely. There's investment, so it's not. It ceased to be just our aerospace community where it started. It's become bigger, and you know, I think the points that you brought up today about the soft uncertainties are so critical. The uncertainty of if you build it, will they fly, and at what price, and in what context, and in what locations, and why, and how. Those questions are fundamentally top in my mind of things that we want to move forward on, and why it's so important that we had those people in the room and that we continue to do so as we move forward.
Ultimately, it's mobility as a service, right? When you're able to use your smartphone and choose among the array of options on how to commute, and it will be a mixed mode of options, right? It won't be, you know, any one. It will change depending on the trip, depending on the day, and you'll be able to choose depending on cost, time, carbon emissions, you know, the routes, and so you are beholden to that level of decision making. It creates a level of mobility that we currently don't have. And you know, Brian has said that, you know, he goes to a lot of, you know, urban regional air mobility conferences, and I go to a lot of smart cities and transportation kind of conferences, and you know, they produce a wealth of stuff, but it doesn't include urban and regional air mobility. And so I feel like right now there's that isolation dichotomy, if you will, of like, here's the tech, and then here's the existing transportation, if you will. But you know what the Center for Urban Regional Air Mobility at Georgia Tech does is really pull those together and provide not only the technology, but that community solutions in terms of how it could really transform the lives of the people and how they move across cities, but also beyond that.